Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add hashtags on Instagram's post. So to do that, head over to the Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the plus icon. And now add a picture or post, tap on next. Now go to next and in here go to add caption. Now just tap on hash and here write anything like good vibes. Now hash again and write happy heart. And yeah, this is how you can do it, and tap on OK, then tap on share. So as you can see, the app is currently getting finished. Just have patience. So as you can see, my hashtag is now created or added on my post. Yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.